Short lesson on clutch control. If you're starting out, if you put your foot right down to the ground and your leg straight, you're just a bit too far away. So you just need to bring the seat a little bit closer so you've got a little bend in your leg when you put your foot on the clutch. The next one, the next little tip would be, don't go right past the pedal and press it down so it's near the middle of your sole of your foot, because it might feel comfy, but you've got risk of catching your foot underneath of the controls, or you're that high in the ground, you're going to struggle to actually hold the biting point. Ideally, what you want to do is have your toes towards the end of the pedal, push it down right down to the ground, select the first gear, lift the clutch slow to the biting point, hold it in place, lock your heel on the ground so it doesn't move, and then once you're moving off, 3, 2, 1, lift the clutch slowly, keeping your heel on the ground so it's smooth, no judder, no stalling, and then once it's off completely, rest your foot on the left. Enjoy the driving, take care.